Come, then go. I'm going to look something.
Come.
If anything will come.
Yeah. Subscribe, man. Dex Media. Big up yourself. Shout out to YouTube now. Or your thing
My
name.
YouTube is Truck Hero, so you
All
guys
right.
can follow me.
All right.
Videos
Bless
coming
up.
soon.
Bless up, bro. Dex Media. DX Media. All right.
If you don't know the song, you can call me Coffee Cup Next Media. Good luck.
Yeah, people, welcome to Sovereigns. That's it. So here I go. Come on, people. Yeah, people, welcome to Sovereigns. This is in Kingston. Like we're in New York. Yeah. They're nice. When me say your says a beauty, is it? To a place nice. Should I have a bar too? Yeah, see the people Sovereign Center. Sovereign Center. They say have Payless. We have a Payless in Portland, so. Wow, this is so nice. So nice. Lovely. You want to go in and take a look? Oh, it's easy. Then. We have the store of Portland. You forgot? But maybe one different one. So we have Payless.
I'm going to need a search.
This is Payless right here in Sovereigns. Yeah.
Come, then go. I'm going to look something.
Come.
If anything will come.
Yeah. Subscribe, man. Dex Media. Big up yourself. Shout out to YouTube now. Or your thing
My
name.
YouTube is Truck Hero, so you
All
guys
right.
can follow me.
All right.
Videos
Bless
coming
up.
soon.
Bless up, bro. Dex Media. DX Media. All right. Thanks. I would say I have a shoe store. Wow. Not sure. This is a baby store, is it? Never mind. The people, so just a walk around and show no go on, is it? We might go in and some of the store them, and we might not go in and none. But you know, just go and watch and enjoy. Sit back and relax. Yeah man, have a cup of coffee. Or eat your popcorn and enjoy this vlog today. Long time we not done a vlog. You can see what going on in here, sir? No, you ain't that one. Chelsea. Hello. Just a look. So what going on now? Yeah, thanks. So on Croc store. Again, Croc store. Alright guys, somebody just check out one place here, so. But then they end up doing small printing. Then print but some big billboard and then something, that's it. This name Lee's Center. Wow, them clothes look good. Wow. They look really nice. Levi's. See price? 6,000. Yeah, man, I like them type of shirt here. Nice. Oh, in here, nice one. Oh, 6,000. Oh, look about. Levi's. Yeah, people, so right now we're at the food section. They sell cake and every little thing right there, so you see it? And with the island grill and up there, so. Island grill. Where's my mama gone, man? They have everything over here, people. They have KFC over the corner. They have fish pot over here, so yeah, I say. And they sell everything fish. They have tutti frutti over there, so. Yo! Sorry. The people over here soon today from a Chinese restaurant. The people, Chinese restaurant. The people big up on the serving, you see it? Yeah, like, share and subscribe, you see it? Yeah, people, right now I'm sample some beetroot and some juice, I see it, natural juice. So stick around, show no what I go on, what time I taste it, and thing, I see it, yeah. Yeah, people, so this is my first reaction to Lawawa. Yeah, I give 10 out of 10, you see it? Yeah, it's very good.
Oh, yeah. This is my especially some of